Welcome to our home. Welcome, come on in. We're going on a tour, right, of the McDonald's household. Okay, but you don't have to spin to them yet. You don't do the tour yet, but the talk. Okay guys, so first let me say I'm happy and I give God thanks for blessing us with this beautiful home. God is amazing, y'all. God could do all. You could do all things through Christ. When you ask Him for certain things, you just have to wait patiently. And I tell you, when you wait upon Him, good things happen. And this is one of those good things. Now, first of all, before I give you my house tour, or our house tour, right? This is not a bossy, a show-off type of a thing. I'm not showing off, guys. So we just want to get that clear. I'm just going to show you a house tour because my background when I'm cooking and stuff is going to be totally different. So I just want to give you guys a house tour. So this is nothing to be show-off about. Right, camera girl? We'll get that clear. Just showing you a blessing, the blessing. God has been blessing me from left, right, back, and center. This is one of them. And I'm sharing it with you guys. Alright, so we'll get that clear. Okay, so let's get the house tour. And this house is 6 bedrooms, living room, formal living, formal dining, a family room, bathroom on the lower level, kitchen is downstairs, an eating kitchen, and then we have 4 bedrooms upstairs, two bathrooms up there, and a lower level. So this house is 3 floors. So I'm going to take the time and show you. We're going on. So this, when you walk in, this is the front door. This is the front door right here. So when you walk in, then you have the entrance, the foyer right here, and then you have a little coat closet here. But them left a lot of that's nice. And you can see the house is empty. We just closed on the house today. So this right here is the formal living room. And I love this room. It's nice and airy. I love the windows here, and I love that natural light that's coming in. I think that is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. I love this room. I am going to change out all of the lightings in here. We're going to change out all the light, but this is what the house comes with. All these lights. And them new but with the lighting. We're going to change all that out. I love the floor and this hardwood floor all throughout the lower level. So all downstairs, all the main level and downstairs is all hardwood floor, right? So when you come this way, this right here is the formal dining room, and this is a nice size. And then one of the things that I love the window, that natural sunlight that's coming in, that is just beautiful. When I turn on a light or nothing, it's just gorgeous in this space. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like the current molding and all that good stuff. I'm changing out the chandelier. We want something a little bit more Juliana that doesn't scream my name, so I'm changing that out. Then when you come in here in the kitchen, we have a half bath, and the lights are off because we just closed on the house today. So the lights are off, but this is a pretty nice half powder room, or whatever you want to call it. So this is the half bathroom. And then on the left of the house, we have a 2-car garage. And like I said, yes, the lights are off so you really can't see the space, but yeah, this is the 2-car garage. And the land on this property is pretty big. I think it's like about an acre or something. Yeah. Now this is the kitchen. I love the kitchen. I love the stainless steel appliances. I love the granite countertops. This is beautiful. I love this. And we are going to get an island in here. The kitchen. And I love the space here. I love the sink. I love this. This is nice. Nicely upgraded and stuff. All the appliances are brand new. All this is nice. And this right here is the pantry. Now right here is the eating kitchen nook area right there, so. And then we have an open concept to the family room right here. So this is the family room, and then we have a fireplace right here. This is, I think it's gas burning fireplace. And so we're gonna put a little TV up here. And I love the natural light that comes through this window because the house, this is a 3-floor house, 3-story house. So on the main level when you come in, all you see when you're in the back is the trees. So it's like you're in, what you call it, like in the trees then, because you have to look down to see the lower level. So you're like in the trees, and the trees is all the way above the house. So it's beautiful back here. Let me show you a little view of what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. All right, so you guys know I had a beautiful deck on the first house. This is a pretty nice deck. This deck is pretty new. We just had the deck was just built, but however, we need a bigger deck, and we're gonna build another deck on the lower level. I'll take you downstairs later, but this is all greenery, and you know how I feel about the birds and all of that stuff, and the morning and everything. So when you come out here and sit around the table and just enjoy the morning feel, then you get all the sounds of the birds and stuff. And then we have a path that goes through here in the woods. And in the woods there's like a river in back, so it's like another mile of walk through it, and then you get to the river. But we're not going to that. So all right, back to all right, so now we're going upstairs because we gotta do stuff. So I'm going to take you upstairs. So the upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms up here, which is not too big, but it's just right.
There's no such thing as 2 big bedrooms.
This is the full bath. Here. All right. And then this is a closet, linen closet. This is the first bedroom. So this is 1 of 4 bedrooms. Okay. And I'm going to use this bedroom as a closet because I need a walk-in closet, so I'm going to use this as one. And then this right here is going to be my office. I love the windows, sunlight that comes in, nice space for an office. And then there's my closet here. That's nice. So that's number 2. And then down in the hall, we have the washroom and so. Okay, the washroom is a pretty big size. Hopefully you guys can see that. This dark. We gotta turn the lights back on. And this is the 3rd bedroom on the upper level. Alright. Nice sunlight coming in again. This is what I love. The sunlight, y'all. The sunlight. Yeah, and then we have another window in back. And look at this. Look at the tree. Look at the view, y'all. Can you imagine just waking up every single morning and looking at the trees? It's like you in the trees, like you in a tree house. All right, so let's go to the master. And the master is on the opposite side of the house. And we're gonna go sitting here right so. So this is the master. I think that I didn't want, it was very hard to find this house because I did not want a house that was humongously big. I wanted space, but no, I wanted too big because I wanted to feel homey because it's just for me and my husband. Baby girl is still living with us, but at the end of the day, it's going to be me and husband, so I don't want it too humongously big. So this bedroom is still bigger than the one that we have now. And then we have the master bath. His and her sink. We're going to change out all this, and the house come with that. So we're going to change out all of this right. So, and eventually we are going to change out the shower eventually. And we're going to do it. We're going to upgrade some things, but not right now. And I love the window from here, the bathroom. When I'm in the tub soaking, I'm just looking at the trees outside. That is beautiful. All right. And what else? Right, so And this right here is the closet, but the closet is just gonna be for husband, so I'm going to use one of the bedrooms and do a closet. All right, so let's go down to the lower level. That is what it looks like from down here. So we completed the lower level and we completed the third floor, so now we go in to the first floor. So let's go. So I'm gonna get a better view. Hope you guys are getting a better view of the kitchen. Basically, the kitchen is not humongously big, but it's still going to hold an island, right? The white kitchen and the ceiling and all them something. I don't really care for white kitchen, but that's what the house comments are. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this. Go down. The basement it's not too dark right now, but like I said, that we don't have no lights on yet because we just got them closed on the house today. So let me walk you through it. Right here is the bar area. Alright, so we're standing right now where the bar area is. And then through this hallway, we have one bedroom here. So that is one bedroom, right there, so for guests. So that is the guest room. And then walking down the hall to the left, this is the theater room. Right, this is definitely made for the theater room.
Oh, it's so cool down here.
Yes, it is cool in the basement. And you can see where they already built out the walls for the TV or whatever you put in there. It's already built out. And then right here is the little second loft here where you can sit down and chill and relax and so, right? Right there, so. And that's the back door. Now in here is another bedroom. So we have 2 bedrooms downstairs. 2 bedrooms. And then we have, for this bedroom, you have 2 closets for this bedroom. Alright? Now moving along, in here is the 4th bathroom. Alright, so that's
the dirty bug.
Yeah, this is one of the spider.
That's the same spider. That's the same spider from yesterday.
Anyway. So yeah. So that's it right here. Yeah, hopefully y'all can see. Alright. And we gonna come this way back. Alright, so this is the bedroom. And this is the loft here for the downstairs. That's the hallway right here. And over there at the far end is the bar section. Alright, so it's pretty big down here. Pretty big. Alright, now I'm going to take you guys outside and let you see what it is like on the outside. Mm-hmm. Okay, so
I can't go too far because I got my shoes on.
You can start. So this is outside. You can see this is a higher up deck. So eventually we are going to get this deck upgraded. We're going to get the deck
Froggy, you see him the jump?
We're going to build stairs coming down from this deck. And then build out. Yeah, I'm seeing the body. Just hold the camera more than one of them.
Oh damn.
And then we just build. You know the woods we expect. So anyway, this frog gonna jump over this too.
Oh hell.
This is where you get when you live in the woods. So anyway, this is the backyard. Over there is all woods. So this house is sitting on about an acre. So the land go all the way to the back. All the way back. And then right there we have like a little park we walk. A little track. And it takes you all the way down to the river. So about a mile from here, when you walk through that little park right there, it takes you to the river. So we have a river out there, which I am not going. So yeah, so that's it. So you have to make sure it's keep them frogs out of here.
Them cute though.
Not in my alright, so I'm going upstairs. But this is brighter than it is yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, yesterday was dark.
I might just chill in the basement because it's cool down here. Like I want. Oh damn.
Oh, baby, reach. You have the next ski.
It's a good feeling.
Yeah, baby. No, you have no home girl because I don't kiss the floor. I gotta put something up there.
You can't kiss the floor yet. It's not clean. It's not mop yet.
Jeez. Come before the mother get jealous. Come,
Huh?
mother.
Oh.
Finally.
Oh yeah.
Finally. Jesus. What a work!
Work in the word.
You know, do your outro.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. And yeah, I guess I will see you in my next video. It's time to get you up out of my house.